Unlock the storytelling power of your Nikon D3500 and transform everyday moments into captivating videos. Let's dive into the fundamental video shooting techniques on your D3500. First, we need to switch to video mode. Locate the power switch and toggle it to the movie shooting icon. Then, press the LV button, which stands for Live View, to activate the movie recording interface on your LCD screen. For beginners, the auto mode is your friend. However, to gain more creative control, I recommend using the program Auto P mode. This allows you to adjust aperture and shutter speed independently, while the camera still manages other settings for a more cinematic look with a blurred background. Use aperture priority mode and select a wide aperture, like f/18 or f/28 if you want to freeze motion. Shutter priority S mode lets you control the shutter speed for ultimate control. Manual AM mode gives you command over all settings. Composition is key to compelling videos. Think about the rule of thirds. Imagine your frame divided into 9 equal sections by 2 horizontal and 2 vertical lines. Placing your subject off-center at one of the intersection points creates a more visually appealing and dynamic image. Avoid composing the shot with your subject directly in the middle unless that's a specific creative choice. Focusing is crucial in video mode. Your D3500 defaults to autofocus for controlled focus, especially when your subject is moving. Use the manual focus assist while the camera is recording. You can gently turn the focus ring on your lens to achieve sharp focus. You can also select specific focus points on the screen by using the directional pad on the back of the camera to ensure your subject stays sharp. Don't forget your ISO. While autofocus will generally handle exposure, you might need to adjust your ISO in low light conditions. Keep your ISO as low as possible to minimize noise for good lighting. ISO 100 or 200 is ideal. If you're shooting indoors or in dim light, you might need to increase it. Finally, when you're ready to record, simply press the red movie record button to stop recording. Press the same button again. Practice these fundamental techniques, and you'll be well on your way to creating professional videos with your Nikon D3500.